Do you think pizza can be delicious without cheese? Don't think again, because today I'm showing you how to make a mouth-watering free cheese pizza that will blow your mind. To begin, I start by sieving my flour. Then add in your sugar, yeast, milk flavor, and vanilla flavor. After that, mix everything to combine together. Add in your butter and mix palm to palm until you achieve a breadcrumbs. Go ahead and add in your warm water into your dry ingredients. Mix until you form a dough. Transfer the dough to your work surface and start kneading. Knead until you have a stretchy dough. Once you are done kneading, transfer into a bowl, cover and allow to proof for at least 20 to 25 minutes. While we are waiting for the dough to proof, it is time to cut our veggies. I will be leaving the full recipe in the description box below. Please do well to check it out, okay? Once you are done cutting your vegetables, set that aside. Then into another bowl, crack in your eggs, mix to combine well, and also set that aside. After that, grease your pan and also set that aside. After 20 to 25 minutes, this is what our dough looks like. As you can see, it's doubled in size. Transfer back to the work surface and flatten using your rolling pin. If you are someone that doesn't like much dough in your pizza, you can actually cut this dough into 2 or 3 pieces, but because I like too much dough in my pizza, I'll be leaving it like this. Transfer the dough into the pizza pan and adjust using your hand to fit into the pizza pan. After that, use your fork and make a hole on the dough as seen on the screen. Go ahead and apply your tomato sauce. Once you are done adding your desired sauce, go ahead and start adding your toppings. You can add as many toppings as you like, okay? Once you are done adding the veggies, go ahead and pour in your eggs. Then transfer into your oven, and of course, we'll be making use of our pots to bake. Bake for at least 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, this is what our pizza looks like. Very yummy and of course delicious. If you are someone that doesn't like eating pizza because of the cheese, definitely you will like this one. Just give it a try, okay? If you have watched up to this very point, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Like this video, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next one.